What's up, guys? Welcome. We are talking about IBTC today. Yeah, what is IBTC all about? IBTC is all about sending, receiving, and lending IBTC to enable online payment with ease. Yeah, if you noticed last year when Bitcoin went to $20,000, sending Bitcoin across the web was so hard through your wallet. It took time, like 3 days, stuff like that. That was when IBT's idea was born. Around this time last year, around I think October last year, the situation to merge Ethereum blockchain with Bitcoin. That's what it's all about now. So IBTC is innovative Bitcoin. That's why they call it innovative Bitcoin. It was built on the Ethereum blockchain for a fast transaction, for easy transaction, for you to be able to send money from US to Germany in seconds. That was IBTC is all about. That's what it said. IBTC is a tokenized version of Bitcoin built on the Ethereum blockchain. The average block is 25 seconds, no more 8 minutes. Yeah, 8 minutes is in a normal instance for Bitcoin. But sometimes when the network is clogged, the network will go as high as the time for the transaction to settle will go as high as 30 minutes. Even the transaction fees will go as high as $5. But with IBTC, transaction fee is less than 50 cents. But if you now not just all about payment, you can also lend your IBTC and interest like 150% interest, stuff like that. That is the other method of their lending. But now let's talk about investing your Bitcoin in IBTC project. What is it all about? Now, what is IBTC trying to do with this money? Now, look at it this way. IBTC guys say that they want to use your investment, your Bitcoin investment, to list IBTC in big exchange so that they will use their reserved token to sell to pay your interest. Now, listing IBTC in big exchange is very interesting. Now, look at this exchange. If you look at IBTC also already listed in CoinMarketCap. IBTC is also listed in this exchange, Mastertouch. Okay, look at it here. Mastertouch. Mastertouch has 6 million volume, $6 million volume. IBTC is listed there already. Although IBTC is in a swap phase. When the coin is going in the swap phase, people don't invest now. But the swap phase will be ready, let's say, in the space of a week. People will start trading IBTC. Now, for information, IBTC circulation supply is 50 million. This is the previous circulation supply. The current circulation supply of IBTC is 17 million. But after this, the swap, the circulation supply will be like 18 million, 19 million. And a coin that has a circulation supply of 19 million has a bright future. The prediction is this kind of coin, you can still get like after the swap, you can get like 1%, 1 cent. Let's say you get your IBTs as 1 cent. It's fucking good investment. If you sell IBT from 1 cent to 20 cents, it's fucking money because the total supply is 50 million. Okay, now take a look at this. Once you invest your Bitcoin and they list IBTC in big exchange, like their target in big exchange like this, like Latokun exchange. Latokun exchange volume is 40 million, and Latokun has already accepted to list IBTC for 2 BTC. Okay, look at that is the reason why IBTC team is trying to raise money with Bitcoin to be able to list their token, their own coin in big exchanges. After they list their coins in big exchanges, they will be able to pay you your interest. This is very neat. Okay, imagine like that like if IBTC is listed in 5 exchanges, and if IBTC team put up 1 million IBTC to sell in all those exchanges, they will easily raise your money. They will raise your interest. Your investment is secured. Okay, now let's go to how to invest in IBTC using your Bitcoin. I'm already logged in. Just go to deposit. This is deposit. Click on deposit. click on copy your address, go to your wallet or exchange wherever you store your Bitcoin. Send Bitcoin to this your own personal generated address on IBT's platform. Now go to start lending. When you click on start lending now, click on lend now. Go down, find lending plans. This is loans. Loans mean $50 to $100 plan. The range is $50 to $100. Okay, look at this. This is interest. This is 20 days. This is bonus 10%. Below 10%. Below 1%. The exchange rate for Bitcoin right now is 4.5. Yep. 4.5. Type, if you have up to $50 worth of Bitcoin, you type it. The system will tell you if you have up to that amount. It will tell you amount to charge you in Bitcoin. Then it is $50. It will charge you this amount in Bitcoin. You click I lead and agree. You place. You submit. Now this is silver plan. Silver plan is $100 to $1,000. The days is 160 days. Diamond plan. This diamond plan is $10,000 to $100,000. This is 120 days. Okay, good and fine. Okay, let's take a look at when you buy the contract, how your contract will look like. This is how your contract will look like. Liaison. This is interest you pay. If you invested $50, you get 50 cents daily. 50 cents daily is good money. If your money is up to $100, you can reinvest. If your money is up to $10, you can withdraw. Right? Good and fine. So just take a look at this. This is interesting. You can withdraw. Once you withdraw, you get your money in your balance. You get your money here in your balance. All you need to do is to just withdraw. Withdraw your money. You understand, right? Once you withdraw your money, to eat your exchange. You eat exchange. So this is interesting. If you want to earn, we can also earn 5% interest instant if you refer someone to invest in this platform. This is interesting. This is the platform. Once you refer someone to invest, you earn some money. Yeah, hope you understand how these things work. Even though if you don't want to invest if you don't want to invest your Bitcoin in this platform, you can also buy their coin. Yes, you can buy their coin in this exchange for the moment, Masatoshi exchange. Just log in. This is IBTC. For the moment, after the swap is concluded, I think this you won't get IBTC this price anymore. So that's what it's all about. Thank you for watching the video. Check out the link and follow the link under this video to sign up so that I myself will also earn my own commission. 5% commission. 5% commission means if a user invests $1,000, you get $50 instant. That's what it's all about. Imagine when you bring in your friends to invest in this platform, you guys are going to earn money. Remember, you can also, after the swap, you can also invest IBTC. Lend IBTC in this platform. You can also buy IBTC. Okay, imagine when you buy IBTC, which the total supply is around, circulation supply is around 19 million, and people were able to lend like 7 million IBTC. That means total circulation supply of IBTC will be 12 million. Don't you know? I see that all those 7 million will be locked up in contracts, which will last like 200 days. Automatically, it will make the value of IBTC coin to increase. That is, once the value of IBTC coin increase, you understand what it's all about. Thanks a lot.